Salut pour tous et soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Ed Zanetti. We are talking about biochar, right? And we've been discussing how this thin charcoal made from out of biomass can be used to improve, to enhance soil characteristics, to improve its productivity by incorporating this biomass resulting from the pyrolysis process. And we talked about the different kinds of certification you can have for your product. For the biochar, you can have the World Biochar certification, or you can have the European Biochar certification, or the Sea Artisan for artisanal production of biochar. And this is due to the different equipment that you use in order to process the biomass into this biochar product. And depending on the different machinery, you will have as a result more or less carbon credits generated from the biochar production. For example, you can take a low cost, low productivity machinery. There are models which produce less than 100 tons per year, which means like 60 kilos of biomass feeding the machine for each 45 minutes. And that machinery loses some of the gases during the process. And due to that fact, you will have 1.8 tons of carbon credits generated by each ton of biochar which is produced with this low cost, low productivity machinery. On the other hand, if you use a large machinery which has high productivity, we have machinery that can produce over 11,000 tons of biochar per year, consuming some 35,000 tons of biomass per year. This machinery is high efficient on recovering all the gases that are produced during the process. And due to that, you have as a result a biochar which generates 2.5 tons of carbon credits per ton produced. And of course, there is a difference in the cost. The low production machinery will cost something like between $10,000 and $15,000 over there in the factory that is producing it. And if you are talking about a large machinery, it can cost over $1 million per unit. So that's a huge difference when you are deciding which one you are gonna pick for your case. And this is what we are gonna be talking about on the next episodes. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Ed Zanetti, for tous les amis africains.